Here's how to convert AVI to MP4. I created a software called ConvertSave. It's for desktop on Windows and Mac, and it's a file converter. And it's really simple. You just have to drag and drop the AVI file into ConvertSave, select your output. In this case, we're going to go to MP4. Oh, it's up here, of course. And then hit Convert Save. So you drag, drop, convert, save, and it saves right next to wherever your original file was. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we basically wanted to make an alternative to all of those weird, sketchy websites and something super quick and fast that you can use offline on your computer desktop. And so this works for Mac and Windows, and it also converts images, video, and audio files. So in this one, we did AVI video to MP4 video. You notice in here in the select output, which is just basically contextual, it decides what formats are available depending on what file you drag in. And there's a lot of different formats. We could go to MP3 or all these different audio files. There's video files, there's GIF. Yes, I say GIF, not GIF. But ConvertSave is basically just this really quick, simple solution to converting files. You can also do a lot of advanced features here in the advanced tab here. You can see the commands that are sent to whatever tool is being used for that particular conversion, and you can also enter in your own custom flags as your primary conversion for those. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, there's actually an options builder here where you can see a lot more user-friendly terms like quality and video codec maybe, or just things like resolution, frame rate, video filters, and you can toggle these on and build your own personal conversion commands. And it's going to be these guys right here, and you can save them and apply them to this custom area right here. And so that's going to use that new command as your conversion instead of the defaults. Now we've been working through all of these conversions and file types. There's hundreds of different format conversions you can do. And so I've been going through each of them individually to try to figure out the most compatible, highest quality conversions we can do as default. So we've had to really customize some different ones when we found out certain things work or don't work with that file type, or maybe on Mac versus Windows, we have different commands. And so there's a lot going on under the hood, but I hope you find some value in ConvertSave and it's like a good utility for you. Remember, it's completely offline, so there's no uploading of your files. This is working on your computer with tools on your computer, and so you don't have to worry about like weird sketchy websites or having to download anything. And you can batch convert, and so you can drag as many files in as you want, select your output, and convert them. That's ConvertSave. You can check it out at convertsave.com. I'll leave a link in the description or top comment down below. I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.